Hello, I'm CG Ian. This is a quick video to show how to make a plan by extrusion in Blender. I will use shortcuts in this tutorial so we can see the shortcuts here. Now I add a cube, so we can go to Add and Merge and choose a cube. And select the cube and go to Edit mode. Now I switch to face selection and go to select the front face. I press E and move the cursor to extrude. And I press S to scale it, and G and Z to move upwards. Next, I select the top faces and then press E to extrude something like this. And I press S to scale down a bit. Sorry. I move here and press S to scale down a bit. And press G and Y to move backward a bit. So we got this, and I change to bed size and select two faces, and I press E to extrude to the back. And I extrude something like this. I will use the scale tool to scale down a bit in Z direction and X direction. Now I want to select one edge and move down. I will move down to here. And then I press 3 to switch to face selection again and select the back face. And I will use scale tool. Now I press E and extrude to the back. Something like this, and scale it something like this. And press G and Z to move upward a bit. And I do it again. E and click to apply and scale. And G and Z. So we got the basic shape of the plan body. Now I make the wings. I select the two sides faces, and then I press E and S to scale something like this. And scale in this size, and press E and S to extrude. Make sure that extrude in X direction. I press X and move the cursor. So we got the wing, and I scale down something like this. So I want to move this edge wilder. So I go back to use edge selection and scale something like this. Finally, I want to make the vertical stabilizer. So I go back to select the face selection for the top face and E and S. And go to scale in X direction and G and Y to move backward. And I want to change these edges smaller. Now I go back to press 3 to make a face selection and E and Z to extrude upwards. Let me check. Yes, this is upwards. So I scale something like this and move backwards. I press G and Y. So this is how we can make a plan by using extrusion in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm CG Ian. See you in the next video.